Want a quick FPS counter in Razer Cortex? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly where to click, no fluff. First, open Razer Cortex on your PC. If it's minimized, click its icon in the taskbar. On the left side, look for the sidebar. Make sure you're on the main dashboard or home view of Razer Cortex. Now, in that left sidebar, hover over and click the System Booster or Similar Settings section. This is where most overlays live. If you don't see System Booster, don't worry. Look for any settings or cogwheel icon near the bottom of the sidebar and click it. Once you're inside Settings, we're ready to turn on the FPS counter overlay. In Settings, find the Game Booster or In-Game Overlay section. Click that tab to open overlay options. Look for an option labeled FPS Counter, Show FPS, or In-Game FPS Overlay. This is the setting we need. Toggle that FPS counter switch to on, or check the box so it's enabled. If there's a drop-down for FPS position, pick where you want it. Top left is the most common and easy to read. Click Apply or Save if you see it, so your FPS overlay settings are locked in. Now launch any game through Razer Cortex. Your live FPS counter should appear on screen exactly where you set it.